The life cycle of a cicada begins as a tiny egg, about the size of a pinhead, which is laid by a female. When hatched, the nymph falls to the ground and buries itself beneath the soil, where it will live for up to 10 years. When fully grown, the nymph crawls out of the ground during the night and finds the nearest tree. Here, it will begin its incredible transformation. It takes almost the whole night for the adult cicada to emerge from its shell and to fully develop its wings. The adult cicadas leave behind their old shells, which are often found the next morning on fences and trees. As an adult, a cicada only has a short time to find a mate. Male adult cicadas search for females by singing to them. The male cicadas have a pair of drummers that help to create and amplify their song, and each species has its own song to sing. When a female is found, the cicadas will mate, and the female will find a new tree to lay her eggs.